Hi, I'm here today just to show you how easy it is to download welds off the Ritmo Electrofusion welder. Make sure that that's always plugged in first and then you can turn it on. It's very simple. It'll come up with the barcode, scan barcode, okay? So you just need to scroll down and it comes up print USB. Now you can either download one weld or you can download multiple welds that you've been doing over the day, and you just select which weld you want. Or you want to print that one, just that weld, you go OK. Or you want to print the multiple welds. As soon as you press OK, it'll come up one weld or the whole lot, and then you click one or the other. So this instance, I'm going to press the whole afternoon's work, and so I've gone over to the whole lot and then press OK, downloading it to the USB stick. It's giving me the thumbs up, and that's all you need to do.